Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to flush DNS in Windows 11 if your internet is acting weird, websites are not loading properly, or you are seeing old website data. Clearing the DNS cache can help fix it quickly. So let's get started. So firstly, click on the search icon. Here you will search for command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now inside command prompt, type this command and press enter. You will now see a message saying successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That means your DNS cache has been cleared successfully. That's it. This is how you can flush DNS in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.